Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about what is right to earn and how to do it into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know, just simply open your Binance application and tap to this Binance icon into the top left corner. After going into here, you will get to see this square option into shortcut. Simply select the square option and then you just simply have to go in. Now, after going into your profile, you will directly get the option of right to earn. Tap to that option and you can see all of the details of right to earn into this page. First of all, you have to write something and post it into Binance Square and you will earn 30% commission rewards into your Binance. To put it simple, you just simply have to write some contents and post it into Binance Square. And in order to do that, you have to verify your account at first and you have to set up a nickname avatar on Binance Square. And after that, you can register. Then you just simply have to share your thoughts and contents into your Binance, and after that you can enjoy your profit. And this is all you have to do, and this is all you get. Now, in order to know what is the benefits, you can read it into here where it says reward structures. Now you have rewards for top 1 to 10 and top 11 to 30 peoples and others. And this way you will have benefits of this right to earn feature. This is all you have to know about right to earn. If you like the bonus features, you can write something into Binance and try to push it. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.